Okay, this is Knick Knack the Clown. He's approximately 42 inches in length. Clothes-wise, he can wear a size 4T and 5T. The hands and feet are carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic. They do not move. The clothes are handmade. It is cut out in the back so you can get your hand, easy access to your hand inside. Rubber band in the back, and that clips to the body that helps hold the head on for you. That's what this is for. Got his hook here, and we have a hook in the back on the bottom. He has a ring lever, so it's good for either hand. You can use either hand and your thumb or your finger, whichever one you prefer. I like the ring lever because it hangs down in the right in the middle, so it works great for either hand. The back of the head, if you ever have to get inside, you take a screw off on this side, one off on this side, and then that back will come off. You just have to take the staples out of the wig and move the wig up to the top. So if you ever have to get inside to make any kind of maintenance or anything. But he is finished and he is available. So if you're interested in Knick Knack here, you can contact me on my Facebook page at Daniel Cuzno and let me know. Thanks for watching.